Hello everyone, and welcome back to Vectorial. We've just started an exciting new journey, our 30 Days, 30 Vectors series, where every single day I'll show you how to create a fresh new vector in Adobe Illustrator step by step. Today is day 2, and we're designing a cute and simple strawberry vector. If you haven't watched day 1 yet, where we created a fast and easy avocado vector, make sure to check it out after this video. Each tutorial builds your skills and gives you something fun and creative to work on. Now, I want to take a moment to talk about something really important. This channel and this series can only continue with your support. On Patreon, I've created 3 affordable membership tiers so that anyone can join at a level that works for them. By becoming a patron, you'll get instant access to all of my vector files, including this strawberry and yesterday's avocado, plus every future design we create together. But that's not all. As a patron, you'll also get early access to upcoming tutorial videos, exclusive member-only tutorials, and every day, brand new vector packs and icons added to our Patreon store completely free for patrons to download. If Patreon isn't for you, and you just want this single strawberry vector, don't worry, you'll find the one-time download link in the description as well. But please remember, your support on Patreon is what truly keeps this channel alive, helps me create better tutorials, and makes it possible for me to share new designs with you every single day. If you enjoyed this content and want to see the series continue strong, consider supporting us on Patreon. And of course, if you'd like to help for free, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next video in this series. Thank you so much for being here, for learning, and for supporting this journey. Now, let's dive in and create our strawberry vector together.